Hello everyone, I am Sushant Danmele and I am developing a tennis club management system for Thora Tennis Academy Matale.
This is Thora Tennis Academy. Thora Tennis Academy was the first tennis club in Matale as well as in the Central Province. Thora Tennis Academy is a busy tennis club that was stuck in the paper and court reservations. Head coach is always busy with taking court reservation from the long line of members and from the phone that wouldn't stop ringing all day. He knew that there should be a better way to handle this tennis club, so he wanted to develop a web system to automate all these processes. This web system allows users to register to the system and be a member of Thora Tennis Academy. It will create a profile for each member. Members can reserve courts. Most importantly, coach can be able to evaluate players according to the standard marking criteria.
Currently, all of the activities at the Thora Tennis Academy are carried out manually. Coaches are responsible for keeping track of the players' information, which is a time-consuming task given the rapid growth in the number of tennis fans. When a player wishes to reserve a court at the tennis club, he or she must first visit the facility and inspect the court's condition. They are not permitted to participate if the weather conditions are not favorable. In order to reserve the court, players must overcome numerous obstacles because players travel from many areas to participate in tennis practice. When scheduling tournaments, there is no suitable procedure to ensure that other tournaments organized by SLTA, which is Sri Lankan Tennis Association, do not overlap with the one being scheduled. Most of the time, competitions are just confrontations against one another, which brings a massive disadvantage for the players. My client is Mr. Harsha Gyanta Chandrasiri, who is a ITF Level 1 coach and referee. He is the head coach of the Thora Tennis Academy. Client expects the following requirements from the system. Players and coaches shall be able to register to the system and get membership. Players and coaches shall be able to pay online, so there should be an integrated payment gateway. Members shall be able to reserve the court. Members shall be able to see the tournament schedule. According to the client, it is nice if the system can display important newsfeed and tennis lessons in the website. The system will be used by all kinds of users. Therefore, the system should be user-friendly and easily accessible. The system should be easily manageable since the admin might not be a high-tech personnel. Here you can see the business activity model, which shows all the process of the current system. In this side, you can see the overview of the current system, and you can see there are three types of external entities, which is the player, coach and the shop. So let's look at the technical overview of the system. I have used Figma to design the prototype of the system. Front end of the system will be developed by using React.js. MongoDB will be used as the database for the system, and Node.js will be used as the backend. Pay will be used as the payment gateway for the system. Pay is Sri Lanka's first central bank approved aggregated internet payment gateway service. So users can pay with their preferred payment method which they already have, such as credit or debit card, mobile wallet or bank account. This is the player evaluation criteria which is used by head coach. So this should be integrated to the system, which will give the player ranking according to these criteria. So far, project proposal development and project planning phase has been done. Other than that, post and video presentation, system UI design are also concluded. Currently, I have initiated the front-end development for the system. Within few weeks, I need to finalize the project report. After that, I have to finalize the front end of the system. Then I need to implement the database and develop the back end of the system. Finally, I have to integrate the payment gateway into the system. So let's look at some of the interfaces that I have made for the system.